Hey guys, have you ever had this problem where you tried to update your blog or blog post and you try to put it on Facebook to promote it and it has the old blog post image and the old content, and every time you save it on your blog post it just won't update on Facebook? Let me show you how you can fix that. It's really easy right now. All right, guys, sometimes this happens, sometimes this doesn't, where Facebook will not actually have the correct featured image or the correct title after you change your blog post. So if this ever happens to you, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Now, before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel by, well, actually it's down there. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and hit the notification button. So it's very important. Okay, so I'm going to go into my blog post. I'm going to show you how this works. And if you're in a blog post and you want to change your featured image, so let's go find one. Let's change it. Let's go test it. Let's go see how this works. And let's go change a pretty obvious blog post. Let's change this one right here, okay? And this blog post has a featured image with Vic sitting in it, and it has the title. Let's change the title. Let's edit this post, and let's change the title and change the featured image, okay? All right, so the first thing let's do, let's change the featured image. We're going to remove that one, and let's pick one. I don't know, it doesn't matter what it is. Let's just pick Bitcoin. That's pretty obvious. It's a big change, right? And let's save it. It probably won't look very good. Should be at least okay. So it's telling me that won't work. I got the wrong image. So let me pick an image here that will work. I don't know, let's just use this one. Let's see if this will work for a featured image. All right, it will. Okay, cool. That's a completely different featured image. Let's change this and let's just put Jason at the end, okay? And then let's edit this and change the permalink and say okay. Okay, when it's done, and then let's update, okay? All right, now let's go view this post after it's done updating. View this post. And this is the featured image. It doesn't look very good in the background, but it also says the title has changed. Okay, so let's grab this, and let's say you want to promote this on Facebook after you just did this change. Okay, you go on Facebook, and let's go to, I don't know, let's go to my home timeline. Okay, and now let's paste this. I'm not actually going to do this, but I want to see if it pulls in the correct featured image and the correct title. Okay, and it's pulling it. It's fetching it, and it did. It pulled the correct title, the correct featured image, and it pulled this. Now, sometimes that happens, and it will pull it automatically, but then there's other times where Facebook just doesn't pull the correct information in after you made a change. And it may take, 24 hours for it to get updated. Well, I'm going to show you how you can do it rather really, really fast. Now, this worked, which is great, but let's say it didn't work, okay? So how you fix that is you go to Facebook, or actually you go to developer.facebook.com, and it'll look something like this. They change this periodically, the screen. But you're going to want to go to Tools, which is underneath the More tab here. Go to Tools, okay? And then you're going to go underneath Sharing in Debug, all right? Now, this allows you to scrape. Now, what you're going to want to do is take your URL of your blog post that you just changed, copy that, okay, and you're going to go into the developer one, okay? Well, I went to the wrong one there. Paste it in there, and then you're going to hit debug, okay? And it will, what it does, it will go pull. Now, this is the correct information, okay, right now. But if it wasn't correct, what you ought to do is just got to go scrape it. You see, it did it automatically, but sometimes it doesn't always happen. You want to scrape the tool, and it'll tell you 2 seconds, and it's going to pull in the new information. So let me go show you what that means. I'm going to edit this post right here. I'm going to go change back the featured image because I wanted to change it anyway. And let's remove this, and let's bring the correct information over here, which is this one here, the correct, and let's go change the title back the way it's supposed to be so I fix my website. All right. Okay, good. Edit that. Make sure you change that permalink because it will show up in the permalink behind the scenes even though your title's changed. Okay, and then let's update this. All right. It's just about done here. All right, all done. Let's view this. And now you see that there's a different featured image, and the title has changed. Now if I go back over to Facebook developer here, when you scrape this, it's going to pull in the new description here, just like this. I got the new title right here, and the description underneath. It's all changed. Okay, that's exactly what you want. See, it pulled it and says this is the old and this is the new. So if you ever try to go into Facebook, and let's just see if it does change this again. Actually, I need to remove this. It's actually going to pull in the wrong information here. So if I go pull this, I may have to refresh my screen, which I'm going to do, so we don't have the old data sitting out there. And it will probably pull in the right information. And paste. Okay, so let's see what Facebook pulls up. Yeah, it pulls the right information, which is exactly what we wanted, right? We wanted to pull the data directly from the post. But if it doesn't happen for you, and let me tell you, it does once in a while happen, is it won't pull in the right featured image and the right title or the right content that you expected. So you want to do a paid ad or anything like that, and you want it right away. That's what you have to do, is you got to go into developer.facebook.com, go into tools, go underneath there, and rescrape that image. Okay, and it will take the new image and a new title and a new content and put it into Facebook for you. All right, so that's how you do that. It's pretty simple to do. You just got to know what to do, when to do it, and go ahead and take care of that. Okay, guys, hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please let me know your comments down below, and go out and create multiple streams of income. All right, guys, have a great day.